In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Base44. Deleting a project is a pretty important action, especially if you're cleaning up old workspaces or removing test projects you no longer need. Because this is permanent, I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can be confident you're deleting the right thing. First, open your web browser and go to the Base44 app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the right environment before you delete anything, so take a second to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're in Base44, look for the dashboard. This is usually the main view where you can see an overview of your apps or projects. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. From here, find the specific project or app that you want to delete. Before moving on, quickly review its name and contents in your mind to make sure this is really the one you want to remove. Remember, deleting an app typically cannot be undone, so now is the time to be careful. With your project selected, look for the Settings option. This is often located in a sidebar or along the top navigation, depending on your layout. Click on Settings. This section is where you control the configuration and overall options for your project. Inside Settings, you'll see different categories. The one you're interested in is called App Settings. Go ahead and click on App Settings. This is where Base44 keeps the more advanced and high-impact options related to your app, including deletion. Scroll through the App Settings page until you find the option labeled Delete App. It may be highlighted or separated slightly from the other settings because it's a critical action. Click on Delete App. At this point, Base44 will usually show you a confirmation message or prompt, asking if you're sure you want to delete this app or project. Read that message carefully. Confirm that the app name shown matches the one you intend to delete, and only proceed if you're absolutely certain. Once you confirm, Base44 will permanently delete the project from your workspace. After a few moments, you should no longer see it listed on your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a project in Base44 by going to the dashboard, opening Settings, heading into App Settings, and choosing Delete App.